Hey guys, I'm the showstopper. Hello! Hope you guys are enjoying your day. It's gotten actually a little chilly where I am, and so I have a hoodie on today, and it's my Good Luck Cardinals hoodie. Hope we do well in these playoffs. Yeah. So guess what? Look what I have. Look! It's a pizza box of PopSockets. Yeah, it is. You want to see what's inside here? I bet you do. Here we go. So shout out to PopSockets for sending this to me. They sent me not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 PopSockets plus the one that comes on the PopThirst. Yeah, you heard that awesome music. Look at that. So let's go ahead and try it out. So here is your koozie. Pop it open and then pop this out. So there you have a handy little holder, right, for your drink, your beverage, your bottle of water, your canned beverage, right here. Your bubbly, your Coca-Cola, your Pepsis, your Mountain Dews fit comfortably in your hand. Look at that. And then what you can do is switch them out. So let's go ahead and switch out this PopSocket for another one. All right, so you can see here, I have taken, we're gonna just pop this off, and all you do is push down and it makes a little clicking sound and then it comes out. So we're putting that black one here. Now I've tried this shark one right here and it has been very difficult. You're supposed to just push it together and twist and it pops off, and then you can use this, but that one's not coming off. Now I do have the skeleton one here, looks pretty cool, and I've been able to get that off, and I'll show you guys how that just slips right in. See how it comes off? These two line up right here and they click and then snap.
You're gonna bend and snap.
So you line up the teeth and then twist, and it has a little snapping sound, and there you go. And now I have the skeleton on it. Whoa! It is a lot more difficult than you think to snap these off. It does take some practice and you have to twist it just right. It is pretty cool though. The overall idea of it, of having the PopSocket on your koozie, is excellent. I like it. It's still gonna fit in most cup holders, yet you can still reach out and grab it and have a much more solid grip. If you're standing outside, you're at a picnic, you're at the kid's birthday party and you have your cold drink, this is a great idea. Favorite sports team, I have my Chiefs PopSocket on my phone, so you can have a lot of different options going on right there. So I like that. I don't like the idea of it being so difficult to pop these off. I've actually kind of hurt my fingers a little bit trying to do it, and maybe I need to work at it a little better. So it's not the most difficult thing in the world. It mostly takes practice and just twisting it just right. So I will give the overall PopSockets, the one you can switch out here, I will give those an overall about a 70 out of 100, a 7 out of 10. This, the PopThirsty, I like that a lot. That's a 100, guys. That is a 10 out of 10. I like that. It's definitely a showstopper sizzle. And thanks to PopSockets for sending me this awesome kit. So if you guys have gotten this or tried it, let me know in the comments below. And I would like to talk to you. And if you have these and I'm doing them wrong, or you guys are like, hey, showstopper, you can do them better, you're doing them the wrong way, let me know too. All right, and by the way, I don't know if I would have picked this. It looks like something from Avengers or something. I don't know. But it does work. Hey guys, thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. May the forks be with you. May his presence be always. Put a bow in the show. That's a wrap. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all.